I'm gonna show you how to get views on YouTube Shorts. Now, YouTube Shorts is so important. It's gonna be like a new game changer for YouTube because a lot of people are gonna be doing it, and that's the greatest way to get views. And a lot of people have been doing it a lot lately ever since YouTube Shorts has came out. So I definitely want you to show you how to optimize Shorts and how to get the best views out of it as you can. Now, first, of course, you want to make the video 1080 by 1920. That is the video format to even have it working. You want to keep it 60 seconds or less because that's the maximum it can go to is 60 seconds. But if you want to get views faster, you want to keep it under 30 seconds. That's the best way to optimize your videos to get more views. Keeping it 30 seconds or less will definitely get people to want to watch it a little bit more. Catchy titles, that is the most perfect thing you have to do. You have to do catchy titles that are easily searchable, as well as putting a hashtag shorts in the title section because that's the best way to do it. Another thing is making 3 keyword hashtags. Putting 3 keyword hashtags in your description is very important as well, because if you notice, if your YouTube has hashtag system where you can put 3 of them and it'll pop up above the title, and if you click the hashtags, it'll take you to a whole different page where it shows you a bunch of videos that are related to the videos you currently made. So that can also help you get more views and optimize that video itself. Thumbnails are not really required, but I think the best way to do it is to make a catchy image and put it in the first 3 to 5 seconds of the video, because it will pop up more. Because notice that if you do shorts on YouTube, the thumbnail doesn't really show up because it's gonna be mostly on mobile, so it doesn't show up as much. So if you want to definitely do a thumbnail, you can create the thumbnail and put it in the first 3 to 5 seconds of the video, but most likely you won't really need a thumbnails, but that's optional if you want to do it or not. Video tags that can help you rank the content. It could definitely help give YouTube the type of like ecosystem where they can search your video, proper title or proper way to describe your video. So that also is very important as well too. And descriptions, you want to write down and describe the first 2 sentences. Like that's the metadata, like that's like the nucleus of everything. By putting what the video will be about in the first 2 sentences is very important, because that's the first thing YouTube would rank and search up when you type in. If you can see, if you type in certain words, it'll be the first bold letters that'll show up. Write what the title of the video is about in the description. That is very important. And the last thing you want to do is share. Sharing, do not be afraid to share your content to people. I mean, share it on social media, share with your friends, your family, etc., because that is what you want to do. You want to get the most views as you can from your shorts, because that way it can also increase more traffic and more people to want to watch your content. So those are the main key steps of how to get views on YouTube Shorts. If you guys like that, make sure you guys hit the like button and hit subscribe. Leave a comment below. Tell me guys what you think. Also, if you want me to make more videos about how to get YouTube Short views, definitely leave a comment below. It is your boy iTzTane. Till next time, peace.